Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to send out an email to kind of update you on what's going on here. I have set up a Google Classroom for all of our science classes, and we'll be emailing you out the class code for that class sometime today. Note that on the Google Classroom you won't see any assignments yet because we don't really kick off distance learning until next Monday. So you still have some time left on break. A lot of you have been asking if there was anything that you still need to do for quarter three. I would recommend just looking on Skyward and seeing if there's anything there that you can still turn in. One thing that I know is missing from a lot of people still is the planet test. I emailed that out and also sent home a hard copy on the day before you guys left. So if you can take that test, it's open note, open resource, and then just take a picture and get that sent off to me. That would be great. Otherwise, just sit tight. We're all working hard on getting things together to kick off our distance learning on the 30th. So I would anticipate that most of your teachers are going to be using Google Classroom, and you all have that on your iPad, but we wanted to keep it kind of the same format from class to class so you don't have to worry about going to 100 different places. I hope you are all doing well. Miss ya. Sure is quiet around here without you guys. I will, I'll talk to you soon.